Latest crypto and NFT news. Malta authorities to exclude NFTs for EU crypto legislation. Malta, a country that was one of the few to include NFTs in its virtual asset law, is withdrawing its inclusion of non-fungible tokens for the European Union crypto legislation. The Malta Financial Services Authority, MFSA, established the regulatory framework for virtual financial assets, VFAs, in 2018, according to which service providers could introduce digital tokens after receiving a license. The inclusion of such assets within the scope of the VFA framework may run counter to the spirit of the Act, MFSA said, referring to the EU's policy. Although the removal hasn't been finalized yet, the authorities are still looking into the issue along with its stakeholders to come up with the best strategy with its new policy that accommodates both the EU's law and its own law as well. There might be many NFT providers still working under the regulatory law in Malta, such as Hive Information Systems. Visit our website for more news.